Have you ever found yourself sitting alone in a room full of people, wondering why you feel so disconnected? Imagine a life without friends, a life where there's no one to share your laughter, no one to wipe away your tears, and no one to walk beside you when the journey feels tough. Sounds painful, doesn't it? But here's the question: is life without friends truly unbearable? Or could it hold hidden lessons and unexpected blessings? Let's dive into this together and explore what it really means to live without friends, and how you can turn this into a story of strength and transformation. Chapter 1. The Void of Loneliness. Loneliness isn't just the absence of people, it's the absence of connection. And that absence can feel like a heavy weight pressing on your chest, especially when you're scrolling through social media, watching everyone else with their perfect circles of friends. But what if loneliness is trying to tell you something? What if it's not just a void, but a call to action? A reminder that we're human, and that connection isn't just a desire, it's a need. The question is, what do you do when that need feels unmet? Chapter 2. The Power of Solitude. Now let me flip the script. What if being alone isn't a curse, but an opportunity? Think about it. When was the last time you truly sat with your own thoughts without distraction? Solitude has a way of showing you who you are when no one's watching. It helps you discover what makes your heart sing, focus on your passions without external judgment, build inner strength that no one can take away. Great minds throughout history, Buddha, Einstein, even modern creators, found their greatest insights in solitude. Could this be your chance to do the same? Chapter 3. The Pain of Isolation. But let's be honest, life without friends isn't always empowering. It can hurt. You face challenges without a shoulder to lean on. Achievements feel hollow when there's no one to celebrate them. And the silence? Sometimes it's deafening. This is the tough part of the journey. But remember, every storm has its purpose. Sometimes it's there to clear the path for something new. The journey to reconnection. So, how do you go from isolation to connection? It starts with one small, brave step. Reflect, what kind of relationships do you truly want? Write it down. Be clear about what matters to you. Act. Join a club, a class, or even an online group that aligns with your interests. The first hello can be intimidating, but every great friendship starts with a simple gesture. Open up. Be real. Vulnerability isn't weakness. It's the foundation of authentic connections. Rebuilding your social circle takes time, but every effort you make is a step toward a brighter, more connected future. Chapter 5. Finding Fulfillment Without Friends. But what if making friends feels impossible right now? That's okay. You can still live a fulfilling life. Create. Dive into a passion that lights up your soul. Paint, write, dance, whatever makes you feel alive. Grow. Use this time to improve yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Give. Helping others can fill your heart in ways you never imagined. Volunteer, mentor, or simply spread kindness. Sometimes, fulfillment comes not from what you gain, but from what you give. Chapter 6. The Gift of Real Friendship. And when friendships do find their way back into your life, you'll value them more deeply. Real friends don't just fill the silence, they add meaning to it. They challenge you to grow, stand by you when life gets tough, and celebrate your victories like they're their own. Chapter 7. A New Perspective on Loneliness. So what does life without friends teach us? It shows us resilience. It teaches us to stand tall, even when we feel like falling. And it reminds us that we're capable of creating joy and meaning, even in the quietest moments. If you're in this phase right now, know this: it's not permanent. It's a chapter, not your entire story. And every chapter, no matter how lonely, is preparing you for something greater. You're never truly alone. Life without friends isn't the end. It's a chance to pause, reflect, and reset. It's a journey of self-discovery and strength. And remember, even in your loneliest moments, you're never truly alone. Somewhere out there, someone is waiting to connect with you, to laugh with you, and to walk this journey with you. So, keep believing. Keep growing. Your story is far from over.